Welcome back, everyone. Christine here. So glad to see your smiling faces. So I've been searching the internet and searching for the right pattern to go with this. I think I got it. Or don't I? Let's find out. Alright, so I got some issues with this pattern that I picked. And I know we've all been through it, and it will constantly keep happening time and time again. So let me show you what I did after all the distractions that I had. So here is one whole repeat of the pattern that I chose. Now I love the colors and how they are working out for me. However, what I'm not happy with, and I reread the pattern multiple times, and when it comes to the yarn overs, there was 2 yarn overs and I backtracked. I didn't like how it looked, so I did 1 yarn over, and you purl and take the yarn overs off, and it leaves a knit stitch, an extra knit stitch where you don't have a knit stitch on this side. I don't know if you can see that or not. It just makes it look odd to me. Also, having just finished one of the, what do they call that? The yarn over, like, lace. You have a yarn over right at this end, and it makes this very flimsy, whereas you have your knit in the front and back down here at the base as you're getting wider. I think that could have been done differently because it's just really flimsy up here and you don't have a lot of stability. So I guess it's back to the drawing board because I don't like it. And why muddle through something if I don't like it? I like how the colors are going, and I love the, everything else about it. I thought, okay, it would be a no-brainer, easy yarn overs, a little bit of, garter, something easy. All right, after searching and searching, In the Loop Knitting is one of the places I go for free patterns. I love free patterns. Why pay for something if you don't know if it's going to work out or not? Unless it's a really trusted designer that you just love. So as I was scrolling through this, something popped out at me. And wait for it. I knitted the Renya shawl. I love that pattern. Is this one, the Stormy Sky shawl. And that is what I started knitting with this. Now, in the description it says, designed for that one skein of special yarn, the asymmetrical shawl alternates sections of drop stitches, eyelet lace, and garter stitch to showcase multicolored yarn in a skewed triangle. It's easy to memorize. So I thought, why not? It's perfect. So yes, I got the free pattern. As you saw, I downloaded it, started, and Yeah, as you can see, I'm not happy with it, but yet it looks beautiful with this. And that is a Malabrigo yarn. It is a 1-ply, so as with most 1-ply yarns, when you start working with them, they kind of fluff out a little bit because they don't have a lot of twist into them. Whereas this is a plied yarn, a 4-ply, so it has a lot more twist. And maybe that's why that looks so yummy here, but looks so yucky with the yarn I'm using. So there you have it. I guess I'm back at the proverbial drawing board, as it is known to be said. Yes, I had so many distractions this time around trying to get this video underway. I mean, and I think getting disappointed a little bit by, you know, this not working out. And, you know, as you saw on the screenshot there, I mean, it just looks gorgeous. It looks easy to memorize. And with today's hectic lifestyle, especially with my family, when my daughter texts me and says, "Mom, are you busy?" And I'm like, "Yeah, kind of, sort of. I'm going to be shooting a video." The next thing I know is my phone is ringing. Or I can shut the bedroom door here, and of course I'm knitting on my lap. I've got my camera all set up and I'm all pumped to go and get started. And you hear, "Are you busy?" My door's shut for a reason. Like, come on. Ugh. I guess better luck next time. I do have something in mind to change this up and get it started. Again, not a shawl, maybe more or less of a wrap. We'll see how much yarn this stitch uses, because that's imperative, because every different stitch uses up a different amount of yarn. So yes, even though I changed what I was doing with this, because that pattern, if you go look at it, calls for a size 9. I'm knitting it with a size 8 because I didn't like the 9. Then of course I changed the yarn overs, not to 2 but to 1, but I don't like that look. So I've got something up in mind. So I'm going to be working on it. Hopefully I can get some peace and quiet around here. Hopefully you guys have had a great week so far, and look forward to seeing the next one. It's trial and error with any project. It happens to the best of us, and it will continue to happen even if you think you've found the right thing. So there you have it. As always, click like, subscribe, comment in the comment section below if you've been there, done that, just like I have multiple times. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.